Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Please come, take your seat.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
a seat. Geography and sociology.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Education and modernization. Speak on it.
Education is the main
Culprit.
is the main weapon to
Education
combat
is a weapon to
the social evil like poverty. Then
But you are using the word weapon connected with education. It doesn't sound so well.
yes,
Go.
Okay, continue.
education is the main tool to eradicate.
Now it's okay.
You remove your mask and
Yes.
tell very comfortably. This is your first attempt, na?
Yes, sir.
First attempt.
Yes, sir.
You have come
First attempt means it was my third attempt, sir.
Correct.
Third attempt, but in interview it was my first.
Inter first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
Yes. Education is a main tool to eradicate the social evils like poverty, then patriarchy, then anti-criminal activities, and this kind of
Poverty is an issue or it's a social evil? You said social evil?
sir,
Poverty?
not social evil,
Then
social
what?
issue.
Go, outcome. How you relate education and modernization?
And after modernization or after globalization and LPG reforms, many
What is LPG?
it stands for the liberalization, privatization, and globalization.
What is liberalization?
Liberalization means to some company or government free from PSU from the its control.
Join करना.
Government controls earlier government controls some PSU, but after 1991 LPG reforms, government free or government has no business left from the PSU and government left this, and that is
What
called
is ease of doing business?
ease of doing business means how far easy to conduct a business in any country, and it was or it is a index.
What is privatization?
Privatization means government reduce its ownership or some share below 50%, and it is called privatization.
What is disinvestment?
This
Your opinion about the farm laws?
um,
Tinta law कोई
Yes.
कौन?
first is Essential Commodities Act, then farm produce full.
Agriculture bill तमें?
Yes,
आकी कथा. Tinta का agriculture bill को जोड़ा का ये कराई चीज़ शेरा protest होची.
contract farming will,
Contract farming.
its full name actually I am forgetting.
कौन? कोई क्या कोटेला contract farming related.
Yes, sir.
अब कोटेला तुम्हें कोई
Essential commodity,
essential commodity. अब कोटे?
APMC.
हाँ.
कोई बात डरो जो कहीं से तो कोई
Sir, full name I forgot.
नहीं लगो.
So debate on that. Are you in favor of it or you oppose it?
Farm laws.
Favorable.
You favor it?
Yes.
Why?
Justify.
Yes. After this bill or after this act, middlemen more interfere in the selling in APMC mandis, and after that they take more share in the product.
ओडियर कोई बेरो?
Yes, sir.
ओडिया
आगु सर मिडिलमैन मान बहुत
प्रादुर्भाव थे. प्रादुर्भाव ना माने पक्षपात नथिले.
जो ओडियर भी कोई बेरो नहीं. संद किन दाव. सार कोई बे तुम सुनी कोई बने ना को. ओडियर को.
ए बिल पूर्वर एक मिडिल मैन मान मध्यस्थी जो नॉर्थ इंडिया रे तांको अरतिया भी कहती से बहुत सेठी मध्यस्थ रही आ से माने चाषी मान कम दाम रे किणिकी से माने अलग कंपनी की बड़ बड़ बिजनेस को बिकुथिले अधिका टंका
तो
से सेटा मिडिल मैन मान को ए बिल माध्यम रे तांको बाहर करा जायछि
कौन है बिल माध्यम रे कौन इंट्रोड्यूस होला कौन है माने हाईलाइट हैला कौन एस्टैब्लिश करा होला
मिडिल मैन मान को
व्हाट इज एमएसपी
एमएसपी
एमएसपी कौन
इंग्लिश रे को एमएसपी रे फुल फॉर्म को
मिनिमम इट स्टैंड्स फॉर मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस
हां तार तो कोन
सरकार चाषी मान गोटे मिनिमम रेट रे जहाँ भी फार्म प्रोड्यूस मेनली 22 टा फार्म प्रोड्यूस सेठी लिस्टेड हेछि एमएसपी रे सेठू किनिबे चाषी मान डायरेक्ट प्रोक्योर करबे मुख्यतः एटा 1.5 गुणा
सर पचर
अच्छा which national park you had the geography as one of your optional papers which national park is considered as India's first marine national park
फर्स्ट मेराइन नेशनल
first
पार्क
marine national park do you know Gulf of Kutch please remember Gulf of Kutch is the which constitutional amendment brought down the or reduced the age of voting power of the citizens
इट वाज 89th amendment
huh
89th amendment
89
so
I think
61st sorry
61st
yes,
Constitutional Amendment Act 1989.
9 yes sir.
So it was reduced from 21 to
21 to 18
18 years.
yeah it
Hala?
was, yes
Kaiki? Rajiv Gandhi, at that point of time, Rajiv Gandhi was the Prime Minister
Prime
of
Minister.
state, the country. He said he wanted that the people are becoming adult at the age of 18. They are quite sufficient, quite responsible. So why not this voting age be reduced to 18? So a constitutional amendment was done in 61st constitutional amendment, and voting power of the citizens was reduced from 21 to 18. Eta to?
again
Eta go. Then what? तमर अछि सोशियोलॉजी
again
सोशियोलॉजी रे कोन सब अछि तमर what are the subjects you are dealing
various
with
thinkers sir
हां
various thinkers
हां कोन
in paper 1 Marx Karl Marx
मार्क्स रो कोन थिला
historical materialism
Hmm.
class struggle alienation
मार्क्स रो सोसाइटी ऊपर कोन व्हाट इज दिस माने आइडिया ऑन सोसाइटी
yes
स्टेट मार्क्सियन स्टेट कोन
Marxian
स्टेट कोन कहला कैपिटलिज्म
capital and
ऊपर कोन कहू मार्क्स तुमे को तुमे जा परिचय को ना हम सुनिबो तमको
from ancient society
हां
the society has been evolving from the ancient society like in ancient communism at that time the all over the society equality exists then after that ancient slave society developed then in ancient slave society there is the masters which are the
in a society there is a master and
Master and slave.
another to serve as slaves
slaves
master and slave
in the
relationship
ancient yes sir.
अच्छा तापरे
then after that feudal lord society
हां
feudal society that is the feudal lord and the serf
सर SARF
Yes.
तापरे
then after that the capitalistic society and the
Have
bourgeois
and
haves and have not
proletariat
bourgeois and proletariat
bourgeois and proletariat very good आपण आगे कोन जानी कामराज चंती
As a person from agricultural background,
yes sir
in a particular district where suppose you are posted as a collector,
yes
in a
sir.
particular district, the farmers are not getting opportunity to sell their crops. Number one. Number two, most of the areas are poorly irrigated. Number three, the government promotional schemes for the upliftment of farmer is not properly executed in the grassroots level. What will be your action on point number one, point number two, point number three?
First is I will ensure that means more APMC mandis near to the vicinity of the village area, so that the farmers can easily sell in a good price. Then after that, in irrigation facility is very low. That's why I will suggest them for the drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and otherwise if the area is drought prone, then I will suggest them for the less water intensive crop, and that will be also more remunerative price they will get, like the millets. Then after that, for the scheme related, I will more oversee or more try to execute that scheme, like whatever the government has launched, like mainly in Odisha, like Kalia scheme.
For point number three,
Okay.
can you expand the government, state government policies? What are the schemes available for the farmers?
Scheme like Kalia scheme.
What is that?
It stands for Krushak Assistance for Livelihood and Income Augmentation.
What it includes?
It in this scheme, 10,000 rupees will be provided to the farmers, mainly small and marginal farmers, for the both Kharif and Rabi season. Then after that, 12,500 rupees assistance, financial aid will be provided to the landless household, so that they will invest or they will mobilize that resource into piggery, goattery, livestock. And another main feature of that scheme is 10,000 rupees also financial aid provided to the old person and the physically challenged person.
Do you know any program of government for farmers' pension? Pension to the farmers.
Sorry, sir, I don't know, sir.
You need to go through that.
Yes, sir.
It's a central government scheme.
Yes, sir.
Pradhan Mantri Pension Yojana. That is exclusively for the farmers has
Farmers.
been introduced.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
କୁହ କ'ଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା କ'ଣ ପଚାରିବ ଆଉ?
You want to speak something?
Sir, କବାଟ ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ ନକ୍
ସେଇଟା ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେ ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପଛ ପାଠଶାଠ ପଚାର ଯୋଉଟା କହିପାରିଲନି କାହିଁ କହିପାରୁନ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ କେବେ ଅଛି ଇଏ ଡେଟ୍
sir 27th.
27 ଆଉ 3-4 ଦିନ ରହିଲା ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଉପରେ ପଚାରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ଜୋଗ୍ରାଫି ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଜୋଗ୍ରାଫି କି ସେମାନେ ଛାଡ଼ି ପାରନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ମିଶେଇକିରି ଦେର୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ସ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
particularly government programs.
ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ
Actually ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତାର ଏଫେକ୍ଟିଭ କେମିତି ହେବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟିଭ ଅଫିସରରେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କରାଯିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟର ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଥ୍ରୁରେ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କରାଯିବ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ କେସ୍ ୟୁ ନୋ ଦେନ୍ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍
କୁହ
ସାର୍ ଯଦି ପଚାରିବେ ଆପଣ ତ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଅପସନାଲ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି ଅପସନାଲ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ସବଜେକ୍ଟକୁ ଏଜ୍ ଏ ହୋଲ୍ ମିଶେଇକି କେମିତି
I wanted to diversify.
ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
It is almost
Geographical positioning of
similar.
Always I know the society and the causes of poverty, causes which restricts education to weaker section. I cannot deal properly. So to deal with the administrative service, this was necessary with agriculture. That is the reason for which I prefer to take. It's very simple. As simple.
ठीक अच्छे ओवरऑल ठीक अच्छे अब टिके फॉलोअप आप टिके देख
You are good. Your delivery is good. Your personality is good.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉ ଜିଲ୍ଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ଫିର କଳା
କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି କୋଉ ଜାଗା
ଭବାନୀପାଟଣା ପାଖରୁ ବୁର୍ଡା ବୋଲି ଗାଁ ସେ ଖରିଆର
ବୁର୍ଡା ବୋଲା ବୁର୍ଡା ଜାଣିନି ଯୋଟା ନୂଆପଡ଼ାକୁ ରାସ୍ତା ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଖରିଆର ରାସ୍ତା
ବୁର୍ଡା 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 ବୁର୍ଡାରେ ବହୁତ ବିଜନେସମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଅଛ ବିଜନେସ କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୁର୍ଡା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଲକ୍
Good luck.